tough day?
The worst. I did terrible on my geometry test. Cindy completely distracted me by showing some skin.
What'd she do? Show some leg?
Nope. Ears. They're beautiful. Those things have never seen the sun. I couldn't think of congruent triangles. Only those damn porcelain ears.
You're an ear man. That's, really weird. But hey, it's not like you're the first guy to be brought down by a woman. That goes all the way back to Greek mythology. There's, Janet of Troy. Achilles' heel, that has something to do with a woman. And I think we have winter because of a woman.
Hey, the school posted the scores. I got a 99. Wait, what if Cindy got 100? I gotta know.
Who else? There's, the Beatles and the Flintstones. Wilma messed Fred up pretty good.
She got a 98. I'm the valedictorian.
All hail the nerdiest in the land. This one is on the house. Oh my God, are you tracking us? This is such an invasion of privacy. This is America. I could sue you.
How did you know where we were?
Axel's been tracking you on his phone for years. He's also the reason the lunch meat goes down so fast.
Okay, yes, but as the oldest child, it is my responsibility to keep tabs on you guys. As people get older, they wander off. The real lesson here is you still don't trust us. I thought we settled this. I said whatever.
We thought Sue was in a ditch, and we came to the rescue. I'm not going to apologize for that.
Well, maybe your phone is wrong, or maybe you're misreading it. No offense, but your typeface is already set as big as it can go.
Well, this wouldn't be the first time you weren't where you said you were going to be. That's right, Dad has been tracking you all week.
Dad!
Hey, the tracking was your mom's idea. You want to talk about saying you're in one place when you're really in another? Miss I'm at Curves when I'm really at Cracker Barrel?
Yeah, well, I know that sometimes you sit in your car at the end of the street for half an hour before you come home at night. Yeah, I understood it when the kids were little, but now it's becoming a little personal.
Seems like neither of you are capable of trusting anyone.
Well, if you two would give us a reason to trust you, we wouldn't have to run around in the middle of the night looking for you in a ditch.
We were never in a ditch. You're
And Axel, being Axel, had scored the cushiest job of all time at the Orson Heights Country Club.
I know a lot of the other counselors are uptight. They want you to follow the rules and do activities that won't break your neck. But I'm not like that. I'm super fun. But I'm also super chill, which is why you guys can call me Axel, or Axe, or the Axe Man.
How about peaked in high school?
Okay, wow, that was really mean, but it's cool because I'm chill. So, as I was saying...
What are you, 30?
I'm not 30.
Then why do you have all those lines in your face?
I don't have lines on my face. I just like to carry a healthy tan.
Hey, Pete. Your mother's on line 1. On your forehead.
Okay, that's super funny, but I'm being serious. Listen, man, there's no reason you and I shouldn't be getting along. Truth is, I look at you, I see myself. But you gotta pull back on the two, dude. Okay? You got swag, but you don't need to prove it 24/7. So here's the deal. We really need you in this boat race today. We can't win without you, so what do you say? Got my back?
You got my back?
Excuse me?
Excuse me?
I'm a little idiot.
Yeah, you are.
All right. You know what, man? I'm out. Okay? Fine. And I know you think you've won, but you haven't. It might seem cool to just sit on the sidelines and make fun of everything, but at the end of the day, you're not really cool. You're just a guy who missed out on a lot of fun stuff.
When you think of Axel, wisdom and life lessons aren't the first things that jump to mind. I guess it took the 10-year-old version of himself to bring it out of him.
You got this, come on! Yes, Spark Bars! Woo!
Yep, my boy was finally growing up.
In your face, Kathy's cutie! Yeah!